Morning guys, happy Easter!
Happy Easter.
So, we've not really uploaded a lot of videos because, as you all know with this virus, we've not really done anything, have we?
No, we've all been in lockdown, staying home, staying safe. I'm even working from home at the moment. I'm working upstairs. So.
And I'm not, I'm one of the frontliners, so we're doing food packages and all that, and it's just one of the things really. But anyway, on the good side, it's Easter today. We're going to make some cheesecake filled Easter eggs.
Yay.
Well, I say we, Natalie's probably going to make them.
I love cheesecake and I didn't want to just sneeze.
Uh-oh, here we go.
I didn't want to just have Easter eggs, so I was like, let's fill them with cheesecake.
I know, it's going to be cool. So, to be honest, we've never really done any videos like this. So I think it's going to be pretty fun. I'm going to show you my Easter egg in a wee minute. Mine's solid chocolate. It's amazing. 750 grams of just pure Easter egg.
I got a Kinder Egg one.
I know, we'll show you Natalie's one in a wee minute as well. I'm actually intrigued to see what's inside yours. Like, massive toy. We're going to get like an Action Man or something come at yours.
We'll find out.
Yeah, we're going to find out. Also, we just thought we'd talk a wee bit about Mandalorian. Any you seen it?
My goodness, Disney Plus.
I know.
Disney Plus has came at exactly the right time. Like, oh my goodness.
I know, it's brilliant.
Mandalorian has been fantastic. We deliberately have avoided any kind of spoilers or anything because I know in America it came out like November time.
Baby Yoda is so cute. I know he's no Yoda, but
it's the child.
And the child is so cute. We'll not really go into like details of the Mandalorian because some people might not have seen it, but
another good program on Disney Plus is Imagine Eden.
Aye, that's cool.
Oh my goodness,
actually.
we love watching that. It's so cool to watch like how everything's like happened.
If you like Disney and all that stuff as well, probably next week as well we're going to do a wee video on Disney's cheesecake spring rolls. No, cheeseburger spring rolls. Cheesecake spring rolls.
He's looking at all the cheesecake
I know, look at
stuff.
cheesecake going, let's get started. But aye, that's basically what we've been doing. We've not really been up to much. Unfortunately, we're supposed to be going to Alton Towers this Friday. We're supposed to be going there. That would have made some quality videos, but we're in lockdown, so we can't go there. We've got Disney booked. It's at the end of the year. Disneyland Paris. Fingers crossed we get to go. That would be amazing. But with this, we're not too sure if we get to go. I mean, we do obviously want to go, but if we can't, we can't go. That's just one of the things.
We'd rather be safe.
Yeah, we'd rather be safe than sorry, you know what I mean? So we're going to crack on with the video today. Hopefully this will turn out pretty good.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Let us know what other recipes and stuff if you do like it, you want to see. We're going to do our cheeseburger spring rolls next week. But
cheesecake spring rolls. Or cheeseburger spring rolls.
So let us know if you've got any other kind of Disney ones or any other recipes you want us to try, and let us know how you've been getting on in lockdown. Are you going nuts or what's happening? Just
exactly. Also, we see a lot of people are getting their kids to cut their hair and all that stuff, and Natalie cuts my hair anyway. As you can see, I've got a skinhead, so she's going to shave my hair today. We'll put that in the video, and I'm going to dye Natalie's hair. As you can see, it's needing dyed.
I need my roots done.
So I'm going to do it blonde today, and we'll show you us doing that, and then we're going to dye it tomorrow.
Yeah, I like to give it a bit of a rest, so we'll do the bleach today, and then tomorrow I'll do the rest of the colour. We probably won't show you the finished product in this video because this will be up before it's done, but if you check out our Instagram, we'll do that. So we got on with our baking show. Right, let's get on with it. Right guys, so here's my Easter egg that Natalie bought me. Well, it's not quite an egg, it's going to be hard. Look, told you it was solid chocolate. It came like a puzzle, and it's amazing. Look how thick that is. You can sort of see it a wee bit on the bottom there. There's like a full Easter egg, but I'll open it up here and you can sort of see it better. That's crazy. Natalie's just started opening this before I filmed, and also we just went this morning. This was a £5. We got it £2.50. How good is that? Such a bargain.
Right, let's see what you're going to get. Do you think? Yeah, I'll take your box.
It says bigger egg, bigger toy.
Oh, what sort of toy box do you reckon?
Who knows?
What one did you get? The boys one? The Justice League one?
It's not boys, it's Justice League.
So it's boys.
There was
right, hold up so they can see it.
There was a Trolls one and there was a Justice League one. I'm not really into the Trolls, so...
Oh, be careful. Can you even get it open?
It's so solid.
Oh, there we go.
Oh no. Oh.
Look at the size of that egg. Right, here, I'll take that. Right.
I'm dropping chocolate everywhere.
That's fine. Come on, here's those muscles.
Oh my goodness.
What is it?
I think I got Superman.
Oh, you got Superman?
I think I got Superman's car or something.
Right. What? So that's what she got. She got Superman's car. So guys, here's the Easter eggs we're going to use. As you can see, Natalie opened hers last night and they both ate our mini eggs. I never. So here is... What's saying, Natalie?
Rude. I can't have mini eggs because of my celiac. Chris ate my mini eggs and they're open because of him, like...
Right, okay, well Chris ate Natalie's mini eggs.
I'm getting the blame of it. The cheat.
So as you know, Natalie's gluten-free celiac, so she's went for these biscuits and she's already started eating them.
I did already start eating them, that's not even Chris.
So we went this morning and got some other ones for her. We got these soft cheesies. Now I didn't realise when I was buying them, one's light and one's classic. I mean, who needs light? You know what I mean? We just go for full fat. We got some vanilla.
Vanilla essence.
Natalie went and bought some double cream this morning. I just got some butter. And I went for these. I was looking for biscotti, but couldn't find any biscotti, so I got these for Lidl. Hopefully they're going to be good. And we'll see how it goes. Natalie will put a wee link into this website that we're actually using. And here's just to show you. If you want to just pause the video now and read that, you can. But she'll put the link in so you can actually go and do the exact same thing we're doing. We're not get the lemon juice there. There's probably a couple other things. Caster sugar. Did we get caster sugar?
We've not got caster sugar and we've not got dark chocolate.
But we'd probably just use normal chocolate.
Well...
Sorry, scrap that. Normal sugar. No?
No.
Right, okay, we're not going to. So we'll put the link up to this website and we'll get cracking on. So if you just want to follow along with us, we're doing 100 grams of biscuits. Oh, 99, right, 99 will do.
We don't actually have a rolling pin in it. It says smash them up with a rolling pin, put them like in a bag and smash them, but we don't have a rolling pin. We're not bakers.
So this is going to be interesting. Natalie thinks she's going to use...
I think if we smash it with a cup...
I think we might smash the bowl.
I don't know. We'll figure it
out. So Natalie's going to try it with a cup. Actually, to be honest, that works quite well.
Told you.
Didn't it?
I'm a genius. Just take out your rage. Take out all your rage.
It's not really a cooking show if you're not eating the ingredients, is it?
You just weighed them out. Oh my goodness.
So, experiment cup as a rolling pin actually came out quite good. Even Natalie's, like, she digestives. Alright, there's a couple of wee lumpy bits there, but...
I may have ate the big bits.
And next we're going to stick in, how many grams of butter?
25 grams.
25 grams of butter, melted in.
If you're cheap to have light butter.
I know, we should have just had full fat butter really, shouldn't we?
So, we've melted our butter. We probably should have had it out waiting so it was all like room temperature, but we don't think that far ahead. And then add it into your biscuits and mix it together to make a buttery biscuit base. Do you know that reference at all? No?
No.
Okay, whatever. Some of our viewers may know the reference.
Oh, look at that. Looks good, eh? Right. Let's get it. Do you know what, guys? I cheated. I actually had 27 grams. No, that I think that's going to make a difference. I might actually need... It looks like I might need more as well.
You're fine.
How's yours?
Mine is beautiful.
Alright, it's just because I've not mixed this properly yet.
You've got no patience.
What?
First rule of baking, have patience.
None of that rubbish. So, I'd never heard of what Natalie was talking about the buttery biscuit base, but apparently this is it.
Base. I like the buttery biscuit base. I like the base, biscuit base. I like the buttery biscuit.
So guys, there's our buttery biscuit base, as that guy would say. I think it looks amazing. Tell you something, it smells amazing.
It smells so good.
I'm about to just take a spoonful of this.
You're not going to do that. You can have
come on.
leftovers.
Right, okay. Don't tell Natalie. Did you see that, babe?
I did see that, but it's your biscuits you're eating.
Oh,
You
it's
don't
so
want them in.
good.
It's going to taste better if it's in the Easter egg.
Now guys, we're on to the Easter egg. Now I tell you something, trying to open an Easter egg one-handed was like the hardest thing ever.
Mine's already half open.
Yours already? Somebody already opened yours? That was you last night, I bet you. Kidding on it, you opened it. Ah! We're getting there. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Right, now we do Natalie.
Put a wee bit at the bottom so it's lined on each one.
On each one.
How cute are these? They say Happy Easter from Cadbury's.
Yeah, cool. Right, in we get a wee tiny bit in each. I mean, I say a tiny bit, there's hundreds of biscuits here.
That's what I said, you can eat the leftovers.
Right. There we go. Come on, spit it out. So I just wanted to show you how much to put in. I mean, it's sort of hard to see there if I'm honest, but as Natalie was just explaining to me, you need to leave because there's going to be quite a lot of cheesecake mix. And the best thing about this, oh, look how much you get left just to eat. Amazing, eh?
If you have more Easter eggs, you can.
Look at that. Ah, well, you could do some. You could look. There's mine. Mine are actually quite full. Look at that. Looks really good. What are you thinking?
This base is really tasty.
You're actually eating that already, giving me into trouble.
Well, I told you could eat the leftovers. What we do is we put these in the fridge to chill, and then while these are chilling, we make the cheesecakey bit.
What are you doing?
I'm having a break.
Shouted at me for doing this.
That's fine. It's fine.
Actually, guys, how cool's Natalie's jumper? You like it? Mickey! So now we're going to put the cheesecake mix in. As you can see, I've not cleaned my bowl. Don't need to clean your bowl. This one's the medium fat. I'm just using the whole tub. There we go. That's what I'm doing. Sorted. So the double cream says use 200. We're just going to go for 100 because we're going rogue. See what happens. Oh, look at that. That looks brilliant. Mmm. Oh. Just keep going. Keep going.
That looks like loads.
I think that'll do.
Did you even measure that?
No. Should I? I'm not sure this is the consistency it should be. It's a wee bit watery. To be honest, it isn't. It's sort of thick. Look, that's quite good. A wee bit of vanilla. Now we need to be careful here because this is strong. Right, just a wee tiny touch. Boop. That enough?
Yeah.
Right, that's cool. Let's mix that in. All looks good. Obviously, let's try it. I reckon I could do a wee bit more vanilla. Just another wee. Boop.
We're gonna add some sugar in.
Oh, wait a minute. It's supposed to be caster sugar, right?
We don't have caster sugar.
I know. So what are you going for?
I'm going for icing sugar.
Icing sugar? Are you sure? I'm going to do normal sugar and Natalie's going to do icing sugar. We're going to see whose looks and tastes the best.
What can you do?
So here's Natalie's mess. How much are you putting in?
I don't know what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
No, just try it.
What are you doing? I don't know about that.
Mmm.
Lovely, lumpy, whatever.
Mmm.
You better try that and see if it's too sweet.
Be fine.
Try it. How is it?
It's actually really nice.
Now the sugar experiment worked. Icing sugar tasted pretty cool. I put some normal sugar in as well, and I can't fold air in, so Natalie's now just folding air in to get it a wee bit thicker. To be honest, we probably shouldn't have put as much double cream in.
I like the consistency of mine. Mine's is actual cheesecake, so I think it's the perfect amount. But Chris is very impatient, and doesn't want to take the time. He wants everything done 5 seconds ago. You just need to take an extra wee bit of time and get some air into the double cream. Get it all thick, just fold it a wee blanket, put it to bed. Fold it, put it to bed.
Now we're just about to scoop some of this stuff in. Look at that, looks brilliant. Right in. Cheesecake, here we come. It actually looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
Oh my goodness.
This is going to taste amazing, I bet you.
I think mine's will taste nicer than yours.
How's that?
I think I'm a better cook than you are.
What? We basically done the same things.
Well, did we though?
But we did. We kind of just make things up. Oh, I don't know if I'm enough cheesecake mix.
You will.
Sure.
You have the same amount as I do.
Well, how come you're like...
Because I folded lots of air in.
Yours is already full. What? Look at that. Look at mine.
I folded lots of air in and doubled the mixture.
No, aye. Cheating.
It's not cheating. Guys, I was trying to fold his so it's the same as mine and he went, right,
Look at mine,
enough.
right? And look at Natalie's. Look at that. And she's... Oh my god. I mean, I'm doing this one-handed as well, so I'll say that's to my disadvantage.
Yeah.
Right, hold on. Let's spread it. Spread it out. Get it spread out. Oh, it's looking good now. Tell you something, we could have a cooking show.
We should, to be fair.
Well, maybe not me, but look at that, that looks good. Right, so Natalie's, obviously she's her two hands, looking good. Mine. And now what happens, Nats?
We eat the rest of it.
Right, but put this in the fridge.
We put it in the fridge for about an hour or two. The longer you can leave it, the better.
And then we'll come back.
And then we'll come back and decorate the top of it.
So guys, that's them out the fridge and they're a wee bit firmer.
Mine's is much more firmer than yours.
And yours looks solid, and we're going to decorate them with some of this here. Let's see how we get on.
They're in for about 3 hours.
So guys, there's mine. I just put 2 Freddos in it, as if they're having a wee bath. Broke up some more biscuits, and we're sorted. And what'd you do, Natalie?
I put some bunnies and buttons in.
I mean, was there any sort of creativity there? You just fling them in?
This is a hidden Mickey right here.
Ooh. Right guys, so there you have it. There is our eggs with cheesecake. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you next time.
If you make these, tag them over at our Instagram. There's a link to our Instagram and the...
Yeah, we'd love to see them actually, that'd be great.
That'd be so cool.
Right guys, thanks so much, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.